Mommy, I'll get some milk.
Okay, where are you going to get the milk?
Get the milk inside.
Inside what?
Inside the milk.
Oh, inside the refrigerator?
Yeah, inside the first way. The milk is done, Mommy.
The milk is done?
Yeah, the milk is done.
Okay, let's see.
The milk is done. The milk is done, Mommy.
That cup is full of milk now.
I can use it for a teddy bear.
Oh, I think Teddy Bear would like that.
There, no more milk.
Oh, the cup is empty. Teddy Bear drank all the milk.
Yeah, I'll go get some more.
Okay, where will you get some more milk?
I'll get some more juice.
Where will you get the juice?
Not the big ball. It's too big.
That's too big?
Oh. Here's some small ones.
Oh, that's a small bottle.
Also, juice.
You're gonna fill up the bottle with juice?
Yeah, I'll fill a bottle of juice.
Okay.
The juice is done, Mommy. The juice is done.
The juice is done?
Yeah, Uncle, take a look. The juice is done.
The juice is done.
Uncle. Mommy?
Yes, sweetie?
I can pour some milk.
You gonna pour some milk in the bottle now?
The milk is done.
The milk is done? The milk is done!